Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save a document in Google Docs to Google Drive. If you are wondering how your files are stored or how to make sure they are saved properly, just follow these simple steps. On your Google Drive, we click the logo in the upper right corner, and then we select the Docs option. We will be redirected to Google Docs. Here, let's take an example and create a new document. For this tutorial, we will use a sample called Books. We can see in the upper left corner that it has been automatically saved to Drive. When we type a few words, it will automatically save to your drive. As we can see here, the document is called Untitled Document. To save this, just follow along. To make sure it is being saved on your Google Drive, we just need to click the File option in the upper right. If we want to move it or add a shortcut, we just need to click My Drive and then Continue. From here, we can choose a location, such as My Drive, to add it. For example, we will add this to Google Drive as a shortcut. Let's just wait a moment. As we can see, there is now a shortcut to the untitled document. That's it. We have now successfully saved the Google Doc to Google Drive. With this simple process, we can access our files anytime, from any device.